In this video, I will be showing you how to create greeting cards in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll head to the search bar and type in greeting card to see what templates are available. There are plenty of beautiful options to choose from, but for this project, I want to create something unique, so I'll click Create a Blank Greeting Card. Once my canvas opens, I'll go to the Elements tab on the left and search for Splash Watercolor to build my background. I'll browse through the graphics and select a soft pink splash. I'll experiment with a few different ones, placing them in the corners and setting them as the background to see which look I like best. Once I find the right one, I'll adjust the transparency to make it nice and subtle. Now, I want to add some structure, so I'll search for a border. I'm going to pick these simple black corner lines. I'll place one in the top left, then duplicate and flip it to mirror the design in the bottom right corner. To bring some color to the card, I'll search for watercolor flowers. I'll scroll through the results until I find a bouquet that matches my aesthetic. I'll place these in the corners, rotating and resizing them so they frame the card perfectly. I can also look through the magic recommendations to find individual flowers that complement the bouquet. I'll pick a few extra stems and petals, placing them along the borders to make the floral arrangement feel full and organic. Next, I'll move over to the Text tab to add my personal message. I'll add a text box and type Dear Mom. Then I'll browse through the font library to find a beautiful, elegant script. Finally, I'll head back to Elements and search for Happy Mother's Day to find a main graphic for the center. I'll choose a bold script that stands out, center it on the page, and my card is complete. And just like that, you've created a beautiful custom greeting card that's ready to print or share. Happy designing!